This is going to be a reading for the sign of Cancer. So, what can you guys expect for the month of November from now until the end of the month? So, what's really going on in your soulmate connection overall life? One card, what's really happening in Cancer's life currently? So there's definitely a lot of confusion. Okay, I see 8 of Earth, I see 6 of Air. Many of you guys could be trying to give into your work, your career, so that you don't have to think much about your emotions. Okay, I'm getting that vibe right now with the Death card. That is transformation. You're going through a major changes. Okay, so I do not see you being the old you. You're basically transforming into a new you, a better you. Okay, so give me one more card as to what's happening in Cancer's life. We have a card already with Page of Air. You're very curious to know what's coming in next for you. I also see you being a little defensive after what you have been through in your past. With 10 of Fire, right now you're dealing with a lot. Okay, there's a lot of turmoil, a lot of chaos, a lot of drama in your life. This could be regarding your personal family life, or it could be regarding your work life. So take what resonates. Okay. So one more card for what's happening in Cancer's life currently. Some of you could be dealing with a very childlike air sign, like very childish, someone who cannot really behave their age. Okay, so we have another card with Ace of Air. I'm getting a lot of air. So many of you guys could be actually dealing with the air sign. With Ace of Air, I feel like you have recently cut off someone from your life, or you will be cutting off someone from your life. Okay, reason being they played you, or you do not trust them, or they have put you through so much on and off and ups and downs that you don't want to deal with it. With Ace of Air, I see you finally cutting off something that you no longer have the energy or strength to deal with. Okay, no patience as well. Okay, so one card for your soulmate. How are they thinking about you? How is Cancer soulmate thinking about Cancer now? So we have two cards. We have Three of Water, which fell in the reverse. So for some of you, I do feel that this could be a third party. Okay, some of you could be dealing with someone who is already in another connection. It's either that you are in a third party, like you are married, or they are having someone else. But I definitely feel like someone has to make a decision. Okay, the problem is the love was there, the passion was there, but someone was not being very honest with you. Okay, give me one more card as to how I'm thinking of you currently. We have Five of Earth, so they are missing you definitely. With Five of Earth, definitely missing you. One more card for what do they want with you now, their intentions towards you. Cancer soulmate's intentions towards Cancer, please. Like for some of you, maybe that you blocked this person. Okay, with 10 of Air in the reverse, they are definitely wanting to revert or possibly get back with you, but the problem is they know they'll have to put in a lot of effort. Okay, I definitely see this person thinking about it. With Ace of Earth, yes, they're looking forward to offer you a new beginning, but like how are they wanting to act on it? How are they wanting to act on it? Cancer soulmate, how are they wanting to act on it? They do not want this ended. Okay, for many of you guys have gone through an ending, but your soulmate is wanting to put in effort, and now let's see if they are like wanting to take any sort of strong action towards you. They know that this is going to be a lot of work. Okay, sorry. Okay. With Four of Air, I still see them coming up with a solid, plan. Okay, right now they are taking a break, as in they are holding back, not like completely staying away. But with the Tower card, I see that they want changes with you. Okay, they are definitely thinking of a plan as to how to approach you. Okay, give me one more card as to how do they see the connection now. How do they see the connection they share with you now? We have a card with Empress card. They know that this had the potential of going full circle. It had the potential of growing into something very solid, very committed, very long term, but they blew it up. With Star card, they still want to have that hope and faith that this could last in some which way, or this could grow or move forward in some which way. So what was the main blockage, Spirit, if we may know? What was the main blockage? For some of you, this person looks at you as someone who has everything. Okay. Blockage was you guys were definitely juggling. They were juggling you with someone else, or you were juggling them with someone else. But someone was definitely juggling. Okay, you guys had options. Okay, with Five of Fire, yes, that very much clarifies it. The option or the extra chaos or drama that was involved in this connection caused issues. Okay, so one card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you now? Okay. With Strength card, they feel like you're holding back. They feel like you're not wanting to put in any sort of effort now. You're basically wanting to hold back, and some of them might even feel you're moving on. Okay. With Five of Air, they know that you feel defeated. Okay, they know that they have basically put you through a lot. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you. One card for their current feelings towards you. In terms of feelings, I'm getting Two of Cups. So this tells me that they see you as their soulmate, as someone who was made for them, like literally their other half. Okay, like sometimes Two of Cups could also be taken as a best friend. So this could have started on a very friendship grounds. Okay, but it moved to something very real. Okay, with Four of Cups right now, to be very honest, it could be that one of you rejected the other person, like literally rejected off, like you chose someone else, or you chose to stay single. It could be you or them. Okay, but there was rejection involved. One person was being very harsh and rude towards the other one. Okay, one card for what do they have for you now? What do they have for you now? With Two of Fire, they're definitely at crossroads. They're looking forward to it. Definitely looking forward to it. With Ten of Water, they still feel like you guys will end together. I do not know why I'm getting this, but they feel you guys will definitely end together. Okay. So one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. Where this connection is possibly moving forward for Cancer and their soulmate by end of the month. So with Three of Earth, you guys will definitely come back together. I'm not saying anything about commitment, but I definitely see you guys coming together by end of the month. Yes, you guys will definitely want to partner up. With King of Air, you guys will make a practical decision. So whatever you feel is best for you. Okay. So one card for currently, what are they wanting to offer you? Currently, what are they wanting to offer you? Okay. World. So they are wanting to offer you everything. That sounds very cheesy, but yes. With Messenger of Fire, that is Knight of Wands, I definitely see them wanting to make a fast movement towards you, a fast action towards you. With Emperor card, they want to take control of the situation now. So one card for what can you expect from them by the end of the month? What can Cancers expect from their soulmate by end of the month, please? Okay, we have a card. With Temptation, Devil. Okay, addictions are still affecting your love life. Okay, if this person has any sort of addictions could be anything. Overthinking could be one of them. Obsessing about you but not taking action could be one of them. Them having the need for having multiple option or wanting extra attention from other people could be one of them. Alcohol, drugs. Okay, sex as well. With Seven of Air, your person in the past was a bit sneaky, and that always got in the way. Okay, they were not telling you the entire truth. They were hiding a lot from you. Okay, so one card for one card of advice for Cancer people. Okay, with Hanged Man, darling, you do not need to do anything. You just need to surrender to the situation. Do not take any sort of action. Let them make a move towards you. With Eight of Fire, this person will try to communicate with you in some which way. Okay, with Nine of Air, they are very restless over you. Okay, trust me on that. Okay, but if they have put you through so much, let them put in the effort. Okay, you just hold back. So let's take love messages from your person now. What like currently, what are they willing to say to you, or what are they wanting to say to you? Love messages from Cancer soulmate to Cancer now. Okay. all I ever needed was for you to fight for me. I do not know how you did not fight for them, but they feel you did not fight for them. Maybe this person is an attention seeker who loves attention, especially coming from you. Okay, so they felt like you did not fight for them enough. Okay, that is one. That's their way of seeing it. Okay, I don't think that's true, to be honest. Okay, we have second card. I get butterflies in my stomach every time I see or think about you. So they still have that crazy shit for you. We could have let down our egos, but we let down ourselves instead. So this could have definitely been a lot more, but you guys let your ego, your pride get in between. I want you all for myself. That is the last message.